pretty surprised how long it's taken me to kind of fix up this zone. Actually just added a lot of this soil too. But look how yellowy it is. It's just very dry up here. And shade-wise, not bad really, believe it or not, up here. Quite a bit of trees here. And what's the crazy part is, the parts that aren't as dry, they're in the sun mostly. The other problem is though, and you have to keep this in mind, that the rain doesn't hit a lot of these places because of the trees. I'll come up here when it's raining and I'll stay dry for quite some time because of all the overhang. So that also happens. It's been a very, very dry September. It's supposed to rain this week, I hope. I have been watering this thing like crazy. I'm hand watering. I also have sprinklers in the ground. I do. I run them. But there's nothing like kind of hand watering, I guess you could call it. I don't know. There are a couple spots like up in there. It doesn't hit. Here, it doesn't hit. And right in that corner. The spout, yeah, I'll show you. It's right there. I hope I could get this thing back to the way it looked in April, because it was truly, truly gorgeous.